G'day guys, Ninja here with Jason.
Hello.
The body.
We're back, Ninja.
We're going to do the Ilios. No, we're not. We're doing the
Iliacus.
Iliacus.
You got there.
Nearly.
What's funny about Iliacus, Ninja?
It rhymes with Mark.
I'm so happy you knew where I was going with that.
So it's in here. So if you can show us on the book, Jace.
This red one that Ninja's coloured in.
Yeah.
So where is it, Ninja? Do you want to show us on the body?
So inside the hip here. So you got the, what's this?
ASIS.
ASIS. What that stand for?
Interior superior iliac spine, I think, isn't it?
That's what
Something like that.
Use acronyms for it.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is important because a lot of people are sitting and we're not sprinting and we're not stretching this part of our body out. So okay, top of our leg here, the TFL, tensor fasciae latae, isn't getting stretched out. This doesn't get stretched out.
What's another name for that?
Top of your leg.
You missed a letter though.
I know, PG.
You can fill that one in yourself, guys. There's a certain word that...
F word.
PH. You could use a PH if you want.
Phew. So anyway, we're going to get into here. Like a lot of times you've got to really pin and hold this muscle in here, and it does give you a lot of relief from not just this region here where it's feeling tight and bound up, but lower back pain is quite often implicated with tight hips at the front, isn't it?
That's right. Pulls everything forward. Creates more tension in the lower back. There's like this tug of war between the hips and the back and your core and your glutes, and the balance generally builds up, and so releasing the hip flexors quite often helps with lower back, as well as if you've got like issues in your quads and the front of your hips further down. This can be a key one.
Yeah, so it really is a money spot. I've been doing the money spot refreshers for quite a while now, so this is one that you really need to know how to navigate.
10 years of money spot refreshers, Ninja.
It is. We were just reminiscing then. Jace has been over 10
years.
Over
10 years, 10 years in a couple of months. So
ticked over.
Ticked over in end of Jan, early Feb. So
2025 we're in right now, so we're just sort of looking back through.
It's been a bit of a journey, hasn't it, Ninja?
The archives.
Our first step into YouTube and Facebook videos, and used to have a fair few outtakes, didn't we?
Yeah. Jace was just a very young man.
Very young man,
fresh.
21.
Fresh.
When I started here.
Yeah. Is this your first job?
First job, straight out of uni.
So it's been, seeing you grow up, haven't I, mate?
Yeah. Seen all sorts of different haircuts. A few people commented on my haircuts, so a few of the other employees and stuff. Went through my greatest hits of terrible haircuts. My mo's coming along well, but Ninja still hates it, so we'll see if it stays around.
The mustache. Soup strainer.
You don't like it, do you, Ninja?
No. It's growing on.
I think it adds a bit of age to me. Like when I shaved it off at the end of, or the start of this year, I was like, oh, geez, I look a fair bit younger, so maybe I'll have to go back to it.
Yeah.
Start getting ID'd again.
That's good. So I'm just trying to really pin and hold. That's the thing with this kind of muscle. You can't kind of stroke it.
No, it's not really a comfortable one to move through. Like you do little wiggles and you can slowly transition your way down, but it's not one where you're actually stripping through it.
Yeah. So, and then I'm just going to go down more inside and then try and push more lower into that bowl and affect those tissues, deeper down, more towards the ground. So,
not too bad there. It's definitely a bit higher up was worse for me.
We'll go up here.
Yeah.
More. So you starting your footy season?
Started footy, we had round one last weekend, so a few days ago.
Won by 5 points.
Got a win, first up. My body got through uninjured, so shouldn't have to do a calf treatment this week. So thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Got me through.
Yeah.
Better late than never.
And you kicked a goal from the back
Kicked a goal from the back line, snuck forward.
Yeah.
I started forward for the first 15 minutes of the game and then quickly moved to the back line. So, I was determined to get down there and injured.
Yeah, I remember we were doing goal kicking after the sprints on Thursday nights years ago, and I was saying, "Fuck, they should put you in the forward line."
In the forward. No one's done it since.
No one's done it. You're a good goal kicker. You didn't kind of spark any kind of interest from the coaches to put you
Obviously
forward?
not, nah.
They haven't?
Well, I started there and then they moved me pretty quickly.
Did they?
Yeah. I had a couple of kicks. I think it was more someone else wasn't doing that great in the back line, so
Yeah. Gave you a run.
they just roll me wherever they need to fill a spot.
Yeah.
Just to throw a random curveball at you, Ninja.
Yeah, mate.
What do you have a highlight of all the 10 years of videos that we've done? Is there one video that particularly jumps out and you go, that's the one that I still laugh or look back on? No, not necessarily me, but one we've done across the whole clinic.
Oh, no, I reckon you should go me and you. Like,
Oh, okay. Something good's coming up. Which one is it? Oh, the Moxer.
Moxer one. That was good. I'll do a little bonus muscle for you, just for people out in YouTube.
So you can still
A
hear.
little bit more skin. I'm Jace. And we can have a little bit of a chat. I'm going to do the TFL, just a little bit here. So, yeah, the one that makes me laugh still is we did a bit of a skit on breathing. Me and Aaron did a bit of a tag team
Bit
one.
before I knew about acting skills and
we were trying to get you into it and just, come on.
Give
get
us
in,
something.
Give us something. And I was going, express, breathe. And Jace just goes, I'm going to breathe good now.
I'll be breathing good now.
That's a highlight.
That's one that still gets rolled out a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah. So that was good. We'll have to try and find that.
We'll add that one in. Little highlight here, Leo. Bit of editing for you.
Yeah. But there was a 2-minute video that kind of might have even kickstarted our whole YouTube channel. There was I did a pec or a
frozen shoulder. Yeah.
A 2-minute frozen shoulder treatment. I reckon it was 30 seconds of actual treatment, 5 spots, and the rest was talking.
Elbow, done. See ya.
Yeah. That was, I just watched that video last
A minute
night.
and a half intro, and then it was,
Yeah.
Here's the spot, here's the spot, bye.
Yeah. Yeah. So we've come a long way.
Couple of skit videos, you reckon they go pretty well?
Skit?
We must
Oh,
nearly be due for another one, you reckon?
Yeah, the step 1, that was a great one. Stupid, sexy Jason.
Nothing at all. We're in nothing at all.
Yeah. So that was good.
Our original sprint video,
with
where
Mikey.
you were meditating.
Yeah. You're just eating sandwiches.
Still haven't changed. I'm still eating sandwiches.
Yeah.
Ninja's still meditating.
I'm still telling not to eat bread.
Yeah. No, I've cut back. Not as many sandwiches
bread.
these days.
Yeah.
Oh. Must nearly be due for another skit, you reckon?
Yeah, we've got to come up with one.
Well, we mentioned one on Patreon the other week that the punishment would be someone either has to shave their head or dye their hair bleach blonde. So I reckon Ninja obviously can't do a head shave, so he's got to dye his beard blonde. What do you reckon out there, YouTubers? How do you reckon Ninja would go with a bright blonde beard and mustache? Well, you couldn't have blonde and the normal coloured mo.
That's funny.
I reckon that'd be great. That'd be months of entertainment for us.
Would you ever shave your head?
No, I'd go blonde before head.
Yeah, so you'd go the bleach.
Yeah.
That'd be your
Yeah.
choice.
Even though it'd probably be with me for longer, I still feel like I'd rather that than have a bald. I just feel like my head wouldn't be good bald. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, yeah, keep the hair up there.
Anyway, yeah. Look at our Patreon if you're interested in seeing us behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, get a bit more of a look into the personality and no purple towels either.
Yeah.
Custom budgies.
Yeah. And yeah, if you're interested in learning from us how to treat, how to get results, we do have courses. So Aaron and myself run online courses and also in person stuff we're entering into is now like the 2-day and the 5-day immersion experiences where you kind of can really get to feel it from us, from your peers, do it on us and your peers. So yeah, it's a really good way to learn.
Get the full package, you get everything, get all the Ninja's tips and tricks and lifts and sprints and
all that.
Everything that we've got that goes into being an MMT practitioner and probably how to go through content as well. Leo, our digital guy, will run a masterclass, I'm sure.
Yeah.
But it all started with us. All you need, if you've got an iPhone, that's all you need. That's the first place to start. Actually, no, we started with Ninja's camcorder, which
Camcorder.
I reckon if we go back through the archives of that one, there might be some interesting content on there. But, yeah, the camcorder, and then we went to using our iPhone or Samsungs, and
Yeah.
mics have only come in the last 4 or 5 years, I reckon. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Professional.
just got to start. That's the key.
Don't have to be great at the start. You have to start in order to be great.
Oh, that's good, Neil. That's
Like
a good
that one?
way to finish, I reckon. Let's wrap it up. Can't beat that.
All right. Done.
Thanks, guys. See ya.